Hello! So just a quick overview on how to get labs if you are using health insurance. So if you are using health insurance, then what we are going to have done is sent you a PDF file through the app, and you will either click and open it, send it to your printer, click and open it, email it to yourself, print it out. If you don't have a printer at home, you can always go to like an Office Depot or something like that. I think they charge like 25 cents to print out a page or, something cheap. Anyways, so then you will get your order sheet. You will bring your ID and your insurance card with you to your chosen lab, which that could be a LabCorp, a Quest, it could be, a hospital outpatient services center. All hospitals have an outpatient services center. You just go to their main desk and ask them, hey, where can I go and get my outpatient labs drawn with my orders? And they will point you in the right direction and get you situated. Now, if you happen to choose to get your labs drawn, say at your primary care provider's office or some other provider that you've been seeing regularly, maybe you see, maybe you see an orthopedic person or a cardiology person or something like that. Or you might have like a good relationship with the urgent care down the street. The issue that may occur here is that they may not send us the results whenever you do this because they can't enter our name as the person ordering the actual labs. They'll have to use some other provider's name who actually is in their system. And so when the results come back, it comes back under that provider's name instead of ours, and we don't get the results. So the only issue here, if you use your primary care provider or an urgent care or something like that, is that you may have to go and get a copy of your labs to get sent to us. Now, sometimes that can just be you calling them or going there and saying, hey, I had those labs drawn. I'd really like them sent to 601-469-9965, which is our clinic fax number. And they may just go ahead and send them right away, or they may need to print them out for you and you either scan them in or take very good pictures of them and upload them to us through the app. Either way is perfectly fine. They may have a portal system that you can log into as a patient of theirs and download it as a PDF also and upload it to us. Those are even better. But anyway, if that happens, like I said, you may need to chase them down because since it's going to be under some other provider's name, in that case, they won't care if we call and tell them, hey, we sent our patient there and you just happened to change our name to your provider's name. No, they won't care. Once they change our name off of those labs, they are no longer our results, so we don't get the rights to see them. And you'll have to go there and either have them fax it, again, 601-469-9965, or get a copy yourself somehow, shape, or way. Anyway, so that was insurance. Print out your form with your lab orders on it, bring your ID and your insurance card to your lab of your choice. Like I said, either LabCorp or Quest or, an outpatient service center at a hospital, something like that. If you need more help, just ask us. Alrighty, see you later. Bye.